I don't know about you guys, but I like to drink red wine in the winter and white wine in the summer. What about you? I'm gonna try on my new outfits. Yes! This is cute. Yeah, it's nice. It's not something I would normally buy for myself, but it's pretty cute, and it gives me throwing it on to go out of the house. Maybe I have some shopping to do. Pop this on with these shoes. Look all fancy when I'm pushing my grocery cart. I like doing that because then people look at me because they're like, "Well, she all dressed up." Very nice. Yes, these shoes are quite comfortable. Woo! My sister's name is Karen, so I can say this. I feel like I'm a Karen. I feel like I could go full Karen on somebody in this outfit. I am wondering about like how much shorter it is on the butt. Is my butt really that big that would like change that height so dramatically? Like there's a full inch difference. I mean, if anything, I want it to be shorter in the front. I'd rather it be more like that. Weird. Very strange indeed. Overall, quite comfortable. Thank you very much. The Karen inside me approves. I'll put on my other shoes for this one. For the next dress. La la la. There we go. I'm totally gonna look for something to put in the back of these shoes to push my feet up a bit, but because I like how they fit. I love how the buckle rotates, the strap rotates so you can get to the buckle. Turn it because like the other shoes, the buckle's over here. I can't see shit. I can't see what I'm doing. What am I gonna do? This, my arms don't reach. I'm fat. Like, how? I mean, I guess it probably could have succeeded if this was an inch longer, but yeah, to all future designers out there, if you're gonna make a strap, ankle strap heel, make it so that you can pull the whole strap around. Please. Hey, there's an ad on sale. You could sell different color straps just for the shoe. Re-accessorize. There we go. Don't have my glasses on. I think I'm trying to punch a hole that doesn't exist. There we go. Okay. Can I get the back? Definitely need different undergarments for this one. You can see all my suspenders and all my panty lines. So definitely one for shapewear. I feel like I got rolls galore. Look at my rolls. Ah! Here, if I do this, it's not so bad. Yes, here, I'll just take all of my pictures like this. Yes. Overall, very comfortable. I do like how it fits despite not having the proper underwear. I would feel like a bad bitch. I'd probably put like a little chain belt around it or something just to spice it up a bit. What else would I do with this? I don't know what this collar's like. Yeah, there we go. I feel like a stewardess kind of. I feel like I want a neckerchief, and yeah, I want to push a cart and offer beverages and peanuts. Well, that's all for this unboxing video. Fan mail! Is that how I should open things? Fan mail! With my jazz hands. Maybe I will. Maybe that's what you'll see next. Maybe you've already seen it. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but fan mail! Anyway, if you guys enjoyed this video, feel free to write me a letter and send me stuff. I will definitely be doing all of these on his list. I'll even like hold it up and scrape it off. Be like, there, that one's done. I will have fun in these outfits for sure. I already know that I'm going to make different pies for each shell. So like kind of almost a size experiment, I think, at this point. But I don't want to give too much away, but be excited. That's all I'm saying. Is just be excited, okay? All right. And thank you for another lovely pair of leggings, stockings. These things are great. I love them. There's a slight shimmer. They're so classy. They feel so nice and natural on. Like I've had them on now for about 2 hours, and I'm not annoyed by them, which is really quite something, especially for stockings with a seam. Anyway, I hope everybody enjoys this video. Special thank you to all my Patreons and my OnlyFans, and Happy New Year's to everybody who's watching. It's January. I'm going to save the whole damn month. Happy New Year. Whoop whoop. So get used to hearing it. And yeah, always feel free to send me letters with ideas and make them hilarious, because this made my week. Thank you. And thank you everybody who watches. Sassy Stacey out.